Thank you to Lee Martin for helping us on our 2-year development plan with Kuehne and Nagel. We've learnt a lot over the 2 years, a lot of teamwork, we've done a lot of team building exercises that we've managed to actually take back into the business place and implement. So thank you very much for all the progress.
Yeah, thank you. From a personal level, I think self-awareness is something I'm sure I can see you'd agree. It's something that I've massively learned more about yourself, how you engage with individuals, and it is a learning process. And I remember at the very beginning when we videoed ourselves and we got to watch back and see how we performed, and then our final workshop now, seeing that development come through, it is brilliant. So again, thanks ever so much, 2Js.
So one of the things I've most enjoyed about the workshops that we've had with 2Js is the interactive activities. They really helped me to apply the knowledge that we were taught in the classroom to actual experience, and it's also helped me to apply it in the workplace.
So one thing that I really enjoyed about 2Js is that all the workshops were fun and engaging, and they linked up really well, so that I felt that there was a story, and it really helped me to embed the learning from the workshops.
What I really enjoyed about TJs was the fact that every single workshop was really interesting in terms of the content, so literally every workshop you learn about something new. Also, I felt like in all of the workshops I had a lot of fun, and generally speaking I would improve all my skills, so thank you for that.
What I've really enjoyed about 2J's workshops is developing myself as an individual and receiving that feedback and being able to build on that during every stage of the workshops.